Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frames for UMA. Now, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we notice is our monthly swing high here. And let's go ahead and plot our monthly swing low, which is obvious to spot here on the monthly chart as it is the lowest point price has reached before reversing. Now, we notice a key level right here where we have multiple reactions acting to the level as resistance and a little bit of support. So let's go to the weekly chart so we can see this more clearly. Now, here in the weekly, what do we notice? We can see multiple reactions around the same key level, and we can go ahead and plot a weekly key level right here, where we see price start out, get rejected, we see a reaction here, and we see a reaction here. Now, we're going to go ahead and fine tune this monthly key level to the candle bodies here. And we can go ahead and plot a weekly key level right here. So we see multiple reactions acting as resistance and support. Now, let's go ahead and plot another key level here where we see multiple reactions acting as support and a little bit of resistance here. We have one more key level right here where we see support and resistance. Now, looking at more recent price action, what can we see? We see a key level right here with multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. And on our most recent price action, we see two support holds right here. Now, we can go ahead and plot this key level right here as well. This is a clear point of reversal of a swing low as price comes down, hits, and reverses drastically. Now, zooming out, these are all the key levels plotted on our monthly and weekly time frames for UMA. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.